Hello everybody and welcome to Tasty Truth, and today we're doing no garlic hummus and some kind of flatbreads. It went a little bit quick for me to read that, but we're doing flatbreads and hummus. And here's the ingredients. I might try and read this one out today. Flatbread ingredients: makes 4 to 6, 200 grams of plain flour, 2 olive oil. Oh, there it goes. So you're gonna have to pause that one and go back and have a look, guys. We'll get the person that's editing these videos to put the writing on a little bit longer. Anyway, there's the bowl. Something's gone in it. I don't know what it is. Look like pepper. And here comes the oil. The golden oil. Specifically measured in a purple spoon. There we go. Look, mix all the ingredients in a bowl. And in goes the water. The freshest water you ever could see, all the way from the local river. Just kidding, people, it's from the tap. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Maybe a touch more water because it's feeling a little bit thirsty. And let's continue. Now I suppose you could mix this with a spoon or a spatula, but as it says, a fork is a good way to mix it. Thanks for the tip. And you've got to continue to mix until you form a ball of soft dough. Not tough dough, not hard dough, but soft dough, people. We don't want it like concrete, do we? Let's get that bowl under the desk. Knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and smooth. And there she goes, she's working it in, like some sort of aggressive masseuse. Spins it round like a break dancer on his back doing the windmill. Beautiful. And there it is. Wait, here comes a bag. What's she gonna do with this? Ooh, place it in a bag, pop it in the fridge, and chill for 20 minutes. I couldn't tell you why, but that's what the instructions say, so I'm gonna read it, or I'll get in trouble. Right. Oh, right, so here's the no garlic hummus. Ingredients: 1 tin of chickpeas, half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a good pinch of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of tahini paste, sesame seeds and parsley. I think that's the first time I've actually read out any ingredients. Right, let's mash these up now. Proper mashed. That's good stuff. Come on, Tasty, give them a good mashing. Get it off the spoon. Waste not, want not. Good work. That's beautiful. Right, what we got here? We got a lemon. What are we going to do with this lemon? Roll it around for fun. Roll it around. It's not a game. You got to chop it in half and squeeze 1/2 into the bowl. If it was me, I'd squeeze the whole lot in the bowl because I like lemons. She's probably saving half for later on. Don't catch it in your hands. You want it in the bowl. Now you've got lemon fingers. What are you going to do? I hope you wash that lemon juice off. Don't go touching your eyes. You're really squeezing that lemon to death. I suggest you use both halves and you wouldn't have to squeeze it so much. But anyway, good glug of olive oil. Let's add some salt and pepper. And some of this tahini paste, which I've never heard of. It sounds good though. Let's get it all mixed in. Love a good mix on this show. Nice thorough mix. Get it all out into the country. All out into the country. Give it a good old mix. Get it all out into the country. Beautiful. Some more oil. At least it's olive oil. It's good for you, I think. And there's a serving bowl. Let's get it in that bowl. And she's gonna sprinkle this with freshly chopped parsley and top with some toasted sesame seeds. And I really want to see how she does this. Here comes the parsley. Chop, chop, chop. Oh, and in it goes. She had to use her hand in the end, but it was good. Let's get them sesame seeds on top. Oh, lovely. Oh, come on, a few more. I love sesame seeds. I would have tipped half of that jar on there. It's looking good. Looking real good. And remember, guys, this has got no garlic in it, so it's not going to make you smell of garlic for the day. And all your co-workers or family members just walking out of the room because you stink of garlic, that's not going to happen here. Right, let's divide this dough into 8 balls to make the flatbread. Beautiful twisty technique there. Beautiful. Loving your work, Tasty. Just gonna make some little plasticine men now. Morph. Anybody remember Morph? This is good work. Really good work. What's she gonna do? Well, she's got the candle out. I don't know why she's got a candle out here. I mean, I would have bought a rolling pin personally. But yeah, looks like she's got her own sort of rolling pin there. A nice wax candle. Oh, I'm sorry, I've just been told it is a rolling pin. Sorry, people. It just looked like a candle straight off of my mantelpiece. But yeah, I've been told it's a rolling pin. And that's great technique there. And in they go into the pan. Oh, health and safety. Get your hand out of the pan. You get a smacked hand. It's a slightly oiled hot pan for 2 minutes each side until you get brown spots. Chicken pox spots. There you go, beautiful. Let's get them out. We don't want to overburn them. Good stuff. And here we go, guys. This is our no garlic hummus and homemade flatbreads. Enjoy.